going to check for linearity first. We have the scaling key question. So linear is scaling and additivity. And so for scaling, it's f of t. If f of t equals ax of t, does g of t equals ay of t? And then yes, it does, because we have these. We plug it in. F of t, x of t, x of t equals the same thing. Scaling is good. And I gave a little visual representation of that system, and then it's the scale, and then works out. Scaling is good. Okay, additivity. F of t equals x1 of t plus x2 of t. Does g of t equals y1 of t plus y2 of t? Y1, y2. Over here. We add them. And then we check g of t. So if g of t, we plug it in for f of t, and then we distribute it, and then these end up being equivalent after you distribute it. And so additivity is good, so linearity is good. And this is the picture for additivity. And then there's two different ways to do it. It's either have the adder. Oh no, the adder is over here for the y of t, and then for the second way is the f of t, g of t one. The adder's in front, and then it's the system. Okay, additivity is good, linearity is good. Okay, for time variance, we have the question if f of t equals xt minus t naught and g of t equals y of t minus t naught. And then we just plug it in. So for the first one, let's go to the picture. It's the system and then it's the delay. So therefore, the t is getting put in for t minus t naught every time it's t. So in the exponent, t minus t naught goes in there. And also for the signal, the x, and then for g of t and f of t, it's delayed and then the system. So the t minus t naught and the exponent doesn't go there. So it's just t in the exponent. And then for x of t is t minus t naught because it's the system afterwards. So you just plug in the t minus t naught here. And so therefore, it's not equivalent and it's not time invariant. Okay? And for stability is if the input it's the magnitude of x of t is less than b, is the output magnitude the magnitude y t less than c. So it's like, can we find one? And then for e to t, it has an exponential where it goes up like that, and it just exponentially goes up. So when it goes towards infinity, it's infinity. Therefore, it's unstable.